welcome back to Baking in Style. So today we're going to be making blueberry pancake muffins. This is basically just pancake meets muffin. It's going to be delicious. So first, what you will need will be flour, blueberries, eggs, buttermilk, maple syrup, granulated sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and water. I'll put all the ingredients and their measurements in the description down below if you guys want to follow along. So first what you want to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And then you want to just whisk together all of your dry ingredients. Okay, now I have to grab another bowl because I forgot to grab one for the others. Okay, so I have a bowl. Now what you're going to do is combine your eggs, your buttermilk, your maple syrup, trying to get all of that, and your water. And then again, just whisk that together. Okay, so once that's all done, you just want to make a well in the center. So I've already done that. That's just how it ended up being. But you just want to pour your wet ingredients in the middle. And then again, just whisk that together. Try not to overmix this because when you overmix it, it won't rise as much. So just whisk it until you can't see any more flour. Okay, so I have my muffin tin lined with some parchment, and I've sprayed them. So I mean, they don't look like they're up right now, but they're gonna just go down to normal. But now we just want to fill these 2/3 full. Okay, and now we're just going to put them in the oven for about like 14 to 15 minutes. Now I just want to tap these down first though. I think that's pretty good. Okay. Let's see. There we go. I'll see you guys in those on. Okay, so they're just finished. Wow, they look really good. Okay, now let's just test these. Ooh, this looks so good. Okay, these are all done. So, these are how they looked. These look amazing, and I cannot wait to try these. So we're just going to let these sit for about 5 minutes, and then we can take them out to cool. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to just transfer them onto this wire. Let's see. so now I'm going to wait about 5 more minutes for them to cool a little more. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes, and now we're going to test one out. Let's see, I'll do this one. Let's see. This looks really good. This is really good. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys next time. Bye!